Hi, everyone. Welcome to Building Public with Natively. Hi, Karolis.
Uh,
Good to have you here. Last week, we were sponsoring a small hackathon in Lithuania, and I also went there in person. And today, we have one of the teams, Karolis, who has built his app with Natively, and we were super excited to let him do a live demo. Of course, we asked him kind of, hey, are you ready to do it? And he accepted the challenge. So first of all, I would love to know more about Karolis. If you can tell us a bit yourself, who you are, and like what do you do?
Yeah, so as you said, my name is Karolis. I'm from Lithuania. I'm 19 years old. I'm studying in ISM University, and I've decided to jump onto hackathon, Vibathon, however you want to call it. I've never tried it. I've never knew how to actually code anything. Like I knew the simple, C++ stuff, how to printf hello, but that's it basically. And we basically said to ourselves, like we had 4 guys in our team, and we just thought that this would be an amazing opportunity for us to learn something new, to learn those AI creation tools, and we
Yeah.
just went for it. I mean, it was a free opportunity, so we said, why not?
Yeah. And kind of like what's kind of like you were feeling after the hackathon, like how
Oh, it was amazing. I mean, in a way, I feel like a changed person. Like not to glaze anything, but like after the hackathon, like you learn a lot of stuff how actually the companies work, how the API works, how companies connect those emails, many information sources, and how they basically connect all of that with I don't know, Gemini APIs
yeah,
and
yeah.
AI. Yeah, in general.
But also kind of like for me after my first hackathon, I became super confident in myself, but also I just got this builder mindset. Wow, this because it's really if you're a builder, you just get the energy, and there is a crazy energy that like you work 24/7, to do that. And then like if something works, you're like, oh my God, this works. And like
Yeah.
he's like, okay, this works, let's push further. So like you're just kind of like have this like crazy energy, kind of like pushes further. And yeah, every step that works, it's a huge motivation. And then something that doesn't work, you're like, okay, let's get it fixed.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there was the same feeling for us. Like, for example, this Thursday, I'd say we wanted to plug AI into our app to make a AI based verifications, and I was sitting there for 6 hours until I managed to get something after your seminar on when was it? Wednesday?
It was kind of like, yeah, kind of
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
like Wednesday evening. Perfect, man. So it's time to kind of like pitch your idea. So what was the idea and kind of like what problem did you want to solve in this hackathon?
So the main problem that we noticed that there is sometimes, for example, when your friends, your family members say their New Year's resolutions, for
Yeah.
example, what they want to achieve, what they want to do, and then all of those promises just basically, I don't know,
Go away.
fade out over the year, yeah, and
Yeah.
everybody just like forgets about them. And what we managed to do is basically made a app called Habiton.
Mhm.
It rhymes to Habiton. So,
Yeah.
and in that app, you can actually basically send each other challenges.
Okay.
Send each other like I don't know, challenging like activities that would force you to do something new, to achieve something new, to basically elevate your mindset. So,
Yeah.
for example, I have a friend which like always when I meet him, I'm asking him, okay, when are you going to join me in the gym? And he says to me like, okay, I will join you like after the 2 weeks. And that moment actually,
Never.
yeah, it is just empty promises to me.
Yeah.
So I thought that it would be an like amazing app that could like have all of those challenges that would be sent out to multiple people and friends, and in that way we would allow users to connect their wallets and everything and make them accountable. So for example, if they win so-called challenge,
Yeah.
they would get money. If they would lose their promised challenge, they will lose money.
Yeah. That's okay. Like, so it's like very nice motivation for them to keep up with their
Yeah,
goal.
yeah. So like because we thought that all of those promises are made up on the very hype. Like when you're hyped up, like yeah, let's achieve something good.
Yes.
Yeah, and then after like the first few steps, you see that everything is very hard, and you just want to give up. And just some people actually do give up. So to actually prevent that thing, we made this app.
Perfect, man. Just like let's do a live demo and see how it works.
Yep.
And you work on this app for 4 days or 5 days.
I've been working on it. I think it's this screen. I've been working on it since Monday evening till Friday morning.
Okay, so it's like almost 5.
Yeah, like 3 full days and with a bit of another day.
Nice, man. Let's
Okay, so how does this app work? So, as any other app, you can sign in with Google or just as a new user. I have an account already, so I'm gonna just join it with that one. Just you will type your email. There is no need for any Gmail verification systems because this takes a lot of time and this can make friction between the users and the app itself. So we just avoid that absolutely. And then you're landed in this page. So as in, for example, Instagram, Facebook, any other app, you can make your account, you can upload your photo, you can change anything you want. For example, I can take any kind of photo. There is an edit function just for this kind of purposes. Let's say I will take my old photo.
Okay.
Yeah, and I can, for example, zoom. I don't think on Windows it is possible. On iPhone, it is that you can zoom out, rotate it, whatever you do. And yeah, there is, for example, a rotate function. There is flips, everything that you would like. And then you save it and the photo updates itself. It's a bit off center, so let's change that. Make it something like this. Okay.
Nice.
I mean, yeah. And you can choose the name, the username, and for example, you change, and it is up here right now, and everybody can see that. That's the first thing that we did. Then I already have some friends. You will need to go over here, and for example, I can add our Habiton director for no reason, just because I want to. Yeah.
Cool guys.
Yeah. So after you send the invite, other people can receive it. And for example, let's take Yaris. So after the exception, which I will get in my notifications tab, I have two options. One is to check his account, like what he's done, what is the success rate of his challenges and everything, what he's actually achieved. And then I can send him a challenge if I want. For example, I don't know, meet me at the gym. I don't know, this Sunday. Yeah, and I will need to pick a date. For example, December. What is it going to be? Oh no, it's going to be 30th. So November 30th. Yeah, and then I can choose how much money do I want to risk on it. So for example, let's take 10 euros, 50%. So the logic behind it is basically if he wins, he will get 5 euros, and if he loses, I will get from him 10 euros. Yeah, so basically this reward system is just an incentive for him to do something and not just reject every single offer. Yeah.
But also, like, I think, like this challenge could be also, being done by with parents and kind of children.
Yeah.
Motivate stuff. It's not just friends, like, because I feel sometimes, like what happen, people, misunderstand this with gambling. But no, actually, this can be something good that like parents can use it, or for example, teachers to motivate their students. So I think there's lots of positive, use cases for this type of apps that people can use it actually for.
Yeah. So those two ideas actually were our first initial ideas, that you need to have those challenges between the friends and the family. And when you send the offer, the challenge, this goes into pending section. So anytime that there is a challenge here, Yaris will see it on his received page. But yeah, this is just going to be here until he accepts. After he accepts, it goes to active stage. So this is the stage where the verification happens. I don't know, maybe you want to join me in this testing, because I can then show how does activate function work.
Yeah, I mean, if you could send me the link.
This, I guess, share, copy.
Like Discord?
In Discord. Yeah, and then, I mean, you can just jump here, make your account. It's really simple. And, you can try to send me any kind of challenge. I don't know. Like in our testing, we did like take a photo of your, I don't know, what kind of photos do I have actually?
Create an account first, okay. But then can I see you in my like friend list, or should I find you first?
You should friend me first. But my name is as in this call, so it's everything is really easy. And yeah, and you also need to only type the first few letters, and I'm going to show you.
Okay, so what's your name there, Karolis?
Yeah, Karolis.
Searching.
Because I mean, there is two places where you can search: the upper one and then the very bottom one.
I went to.
What is your username? Maybe I can try.
So my username
I mean,
is.
it shows for me.
Yeah, it's called Jawhead.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you send me?
of course. And then you will see it in either notifications tab or friends upper right.
Because yeah, I think then like because I'm using kind of like my phone for recording. If I had my phone, then it would be. I think it works better on the phone, because like mobile version. I still haven't received anything. Okay.
Is there an option for you to
Oh yeah, yeah. I see it.
reload preview? Oh, you see that? Okay.
I see it. Yeah, now. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, I click. I open your profile. Make a challenge. Record. For YouTube. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. I do that. Okay.
How can I do that challenge?
Yeah, like I added the challenge, and then she received it because it asked me to, add my card.
Oh, yeah, that's another thing. If you go to your wallet,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
actually forgot about that, and you press um, promo code, there is
yeah.
a code below, hashtag developer 0.1 plus 50. And if you type that in, you will get
It's like the
50 tabs. That's our currency in this app. 50
okay.
tabs that you can actually use.
So it's like hashtag developer zero dot.
Zero, yeah, it's shown in that section
Yeah,
down
yeah,
below.
yeah. So let's see. It's
And if you can send me a simple challenge that I
no.
can like send the like take a photo with my iPhone.
Okay. Oh, okay. Simple. Okay, let me see because I'm trying to do this now. Okay, let me reload. Okay, I think I sent the challenge. No, not yet. Make a challenge. Um, take a picture. Take a picture, and then okay, it's today. Let's see, confirm it. Okay, okay. Yeah, like live demo takes some time, a bit more time. Okay, I did. I sent you the
Okay,
challenge. I think.
kill and restart. Still nothing.
Mm-hmm.
You have the money, yeah, in your account.
Yes. Uh, I think it just okay. I did it, but take a picture.
Send
I don't know.
challenge off.
Wasn't sent because I added the. Oh yeah, now it's sent. Sorry. Can you change? Can you check it now?
Oh yeah, yeah, I have it.
Oh,
Take a
nice. Okay.
picture. Okay, and now I have like options. I can either reject it, uh, like the whole of it. I can haggle it. So simply send you an offer for let's say I wanna get instead of 20%, I wanna get 50% of the bet. Yeah, and I can actually try to send you back that offer. You should see it in the receive
Mm-hmm.
section.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Okay, so like you're asking 50% bonus.
yeah, yeah. Like if I
No,
want to get more from it, like if it's a really hard challenge and or something like that.
no, man, it's a hard reject for me.
Serious?
Okay, I'm gonna tip this.
Okay.
Tip this. But okay, I accept it. Yeah, I
Okay.
accept this. Yeah, accept it.
Okay, yeah, and now I have it in the active page.
We have 4 days to finish it.
Yeah, and now I need to verify it. So the verification works with Gemini AI. So, for example, for educational purposes, let's take a picture of what now.
Like yourself.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we can
Maybe like
first of all try to do something that wouldn't look as taking a picture.
mhm. Okay, like to see if AI can notice it or not. Okay, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah, yeah. Let's take something like, I don't know, rocks would maybe notice it. This be uploaded? Yeah, for example, this one.
Yeah, like an
Okay, and
email.
we can try to analyze with AI. I mean, this might work because this is very vague. Like anything can fit, and yeah, it does fit actually because it takes a picture. Yeah, and is
I think
indeed a picture. Yeah,
there's no, yeah.
yeah. So
I was too lazy with my challenge, so
yeah,
but actually it works.
yeah, it works. And if I view in the history now, it shows like where is it, your challenge?
How
Yeah,
many com-
your challenge, it is completed. I got 2.5 habs, and the photo is over here that I took a picture of it.
Yep.
And this then updates into my profile page that I'm getting one more completed challenge, and Then, for example, if the challenge is something impressive and something like amazing, then I can go to complete challenges and view my victory card, which
Okay.
is something that we did. And then you can try to download it or share with your friends, like I did over here. I don't know if it's going to. I can try to open it with Chrome. Open it with Google Chrome. Yeah,
Oh wow.
and you get this picture, which you can actually upload to your Instagram page or something. And I believe I did. Wait a second.
It's kind of like like the Linga type of thing, like when you kind of
Yeah,
share.
yeah. So this basically, yeah. So this like shows your username, what like the photo is, what is the challenge, and what you got, and like there is a message also down below.
Wow, man.
Um, Wait a second. Yeah, let me think what is there also to do. Okay, there's an achievements tab too that we made for engagement. Yeah, so these are the achievements that are like completed after certain challenges, like
Yeah.
achievements. For example, if I would get 10 challenges, this achievement would unlock as well.
Yeah.
So this is like the engagement thing.
Yeah.
And yeah, and okay, also let's see if the transaction came. Yeah, I got plus 2.5.
Because
You lost 2.5 euros
yeah,
if you
yeah,
would
yeah.
check
Like,
your
I
account.
lost.
Yeah,
Because
so
like I can have 50, but now I have 47.5, so I lost the money.
yeah, so the like transaction works. And we also wanted to add a store that you can spend your habs.
Yeah.
But the Friday came and we didn't have time. But like the future is there. You can make the store. You can like try to customize your interface. Try to maybe have some kind of a avatar instead of your photo. So yeah, there's a lot of possibilities that we can do in the future.
Nice, nice. Thank you so much for the demo. It's really impressive. So I have like one question. How did you pull off, the, because first of all, I'm super impressed that actually like the app is really complicated. It's not like very simple on one, and also like you kind of, did from A to Z of it, like it's a complete app. So how was your experience, building it, and kind of, yeah, how did you manage to do it, in 3 days? Did you sleep or no?
Uh, I mean, reaching 110 prompts is not an easy task, I'd say. And
Yeah,
and
man, like, I
we
was like,
did.
like, every 10 minutes, like, you were sending me messages that you need more prompts. I'm like, "Okay,
Yeah.
what this guy is doing?"
I mean, when the AI says that it cannot like make an output, and I'm trying to send him your what is this super base logs,
Yeah,
like the like I would need to go, where is it, process, no, verify photo habits. I would need to go to logs, and I was getting like a lot of those red errors.
errors.
Then I would need to copy this, need to go here, paste this, say fix this, and like, yeah, there was a lot like a lot of stuff
Yeah.
that needed to be done.
Okay, so, yeah, like, you can stop sharing, man, no worries. Yeah. And, kind of like my next question is that, did you have any experience with vibe coding tools?
I think I was creating a website for other ideas.
But then, kind of, because kind of, like what, impression I got from other kind of like participants, that they were afraid of using like these vibe coding tools, and they were like, "Oh my God, like I have this error, like what happened? What should I do?" But I feel that like you never asked me any question about any error, and I think kind of like you found the solutions
Oh yeah,
yourselves
yeah,
because
of
you were
course.
like, what did you do, to solve the errors or
Like
the
like if I would get an error, I mean, there is two types of errors. First of all is like when you ask something that needs to be done, and like the natively is not fixing it,
yeah,
then I'm basically copy pasting the error from logs.
yeah,
And if that doesn't help, I'm copy pasting the error to ChatGPT to basically make it that it would ask other AI that he should understand it and to fix this error. So
yeah.
basically, AI is sending a question to AI to fix the problem.
Yeah, like, I mean, kind of like they know each other, so it's kind of like they
Yeah.
talking between each other. Okay, that's like super interesting. Yeah, and kind of like if you have some like last comments, about kind of like your experience, like what worked with native, what didn't work, and like yeah, kind of like how do you feel about the tool as well? So if you want to share anything.
I mean, in the seminar, you were saying that you would basically cut off the the access to Supabase for users in the future?
No, no.
No? I mean, yeah, like to me, it was everything pretty much clear. Like Supabase, it's not that complicated. Like you have the database that is pretty simple, the authentications page where you can see everyone's emails. Then
Yeah,
there is a storage key, the edge functions where like the functions itself are being made with just typing the message in the chat. So it's pretty simple. The secrets, so basically installing the Gemini API key was
yeah,
basically the hardest part. Everything else was pretty simple.
yeah. Actually, like about kind of like super base. So the idea is not like like removing it. The idea is actually kind of to kind of like not ask users to do the super base connection themselves. So AI will do it. So it will be like one layer easier. So kind of like you don't need to create a project. Like connect with super base. It will be just like done all by AI. Okay, this will be kind of like my last question. Do you believe that anyone can build mobile apps now with natively or other tools?
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, if I manage to do it with basically zero knowledge of how to code this, I mean, I think the last step for this, like if I want to launch it, there's also an option to where is it deploy app.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, like it's super easy, man. Like it's more
Yeah,
that like you need to have this Apple developer account. It's like €100, sorry, like $100 per year. And then kind of like the Google one is $25, for kind of like the Play Store. Google Play Store is kind of like $25 lifetime, but actually it's super easy. I have done it myself. It's just like few clicks and that's it. And also I was shocked, like, wow, is this such easy process to deploy the app? Because I thought that there should be lots of steps, but it's super easy. Yeah. So I think that like, your app is super good. Actually, it's already like it's so advanced, to be honest. And if you just like launch it, I mean, it's just like it works.
I mean, like if I want to launch it, we still have to make like some interactions that would like the app would make a Instagram story
Yeah,
instantly. That would need to be fixed. Then we need to fix the store that the features that you like acquire would be usable somehow. And yeah, I mean, there are some tiny stuff that is not like interactable, but like
yeah.
it's nothing.
It's work on
Yeah,
like
yeah,
necessary. So what I asked you is that, if you can share, okay, so what I do is that like I will put the link of the like this project, to like YouTube description, but also other social accounts that like we will share this with. And then if some of our listeners, guys, if you're listening and if you like this idea, please, sign up. Like when you create an account, Carlos will get your email, like he will update you. So if there will be like new release, but you can also, already start using this app. So I can share the link. But like if you register in once the app is launched on iOS or like Google Play, then Carlos can send you an email as you're putting your email there. Like once you sign up, just yeah, please, if you like to get notification about that, just like please sign up for the project, and then you'll be contacted by Carlos. So that will be a beta users list.
okay, so I will need to make an AI agent for that.
Yes. Perfect, man. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, you're super nice, but also like thanks a lot for sharing what you have built. And yeah, and just yeah, like wish you all the best and have a nice Friday evening. And also take some rest. Yeah, take the weekend
Yeah,
chill.
I mean, I have basically how much is it like 12 hours, and then I need to do another project for school for ISM. So yeah,
Good luck. Good luck.
yeah,
You
yeah.
see- Thank you, man. Yeah, have a nice evening. Thanks
Okay,
for it.
thank you. Too. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye.
Bye.